Huh? Do a wheelie. Yeah, wheelie. It's raining. Oh, go on, Molly. Go on, go on. Where? I'm closing in. I'm gonna be second. Shit. Guys, I'm fresh off the Rona. My balance, everything is a bit weird to me right now. Whoa, he looks so high. Nice. I went for a little ride yesterday, guys, and oh my god, I've never felt like such a bot in my life. Oh, wild Mr. Braps. Sorry we're early.
40 minutes have been there.
Oh yes. It's like, it's that way. I don't know, where are we going? To the to the rowing lake. Yeah, let's go that way then. What? What? This guy's fucking nice. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna die. Huh? I'll give you one better than a rev, mate. I think I'm back. Busy, busy, busy. Ah, I need to go this lane. I'm slow. No. Yo! Killing it, killing it, killing it, killing it. Yes! Oh, wait, look at him go! Nice, Foley. My knee knockers are questionable today. The vibrations in my feet right now are crazy. Don't take your Supermoto on the dual carriageway. Oh my god, like my whole legs have gone numb. Absolute nutter. What's the speed limit? I haven't been around this roundabout in ages. Huh. I feel so unsafe doing this on the Supermoto. Ah! And here we are, the rowing lake. Be a good picture right there on that with that yellow post. Yeah. I'll pose for a picture. Just if you post it, tag me. Tarzan Motovlogs on all platforms. Fantastic. We're friendly people, man. We just come down to look at this river. Cheers, mate. That woman's a proper Karen. Do a wheelie! Do a wheelie! Do a wheelie!
This one?
Yeah, wheelie.
I cannot understand.
Wheelie, do you know what a wheelie is? A wheelie, you know where you lift the front wheel high in the air?
Oh.
No, you can't do that? No?
No, I cannot do that.
Oh, you just need practice. There's no such thing as you can't do it. You haven't learned it yet.
This bike is nice.
Thank you. Your helmet's nice. I need one to go with this.
Oh no, I just buy this helmet because people can see me.
Yeah, that's a smart choice.
Yeah.
That's why I got this hoodie as well.
Yeah. Because if I choose another, I know the nice color. I don't like this, but it's very light.
Yeah.
No one can see me.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's important to stay safe. And you got a light on it. Does the light work?
Yeah, light work. Yeah.
That's one step up from my bike. I have no headlight.
And horn.
Oh, nice. That's another step up from my bike. I don't have a horn either.
And it's on, off.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And it can be foldable.
Yeah.
Here, here.
Is it light?
Light, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. That's cool. Where are you? You on the way to work?
Yeah, I am going Orange Bakery.
Where's that?
In Extra, you know the Extra here is a petrol station. Orton Longbill.
Oh, I don't really know too many places around there.
Very far from here.
Yeah.
But my previous bike was stolen.
Yeah.
That's why I take my bike upstairs in my three stair.
You take it all the way up.
Yeah.
How fast does this go?
25.
25 miles per hour?
Yeah.
Sheesh. That's faster than his bike. His bike only goes 20 because it's that bad.
Oh no, bike is so faster than this.
No, not that one. See the black one? On the left. Oh yeah, the black one on the left. The weird guy with the orange helmet.
Yeah.
Why don't you get a helmet like one of these? Look, you can do this. Put the goggles on.
Oh, cool.
Yeah?
Yeah, very nice.
Whose goggles are better? Mine or his?
His.
Nah, she's lying. She feels sorry for you because your bike only goes 20 miles per hour. That's why.
No, it's very like attracting.
Yeah.
Your one is nice.
Go on, Bowley.
But everyone see his glass and helmet.
Yeah, he's very visible.
Yeah, visible. Yeah, right.
You've got the same colour helmet.
Yeah, same color.
Do you know what that means?
Yeah, same color. Yeah.
Feds.
You look nice with the bike and the helmet and everything. Yeah.
He's not very strong.
Okay,
Well,
bye. See you.
enjoy your day.
Thank you.
See you later. She can't. I asked already. I've decided I want a picture on the where the yellow post is. Where the yellow post is. The popo. Where? Oh yes.
Hello there.
Look at that. They must know who I am. I don't ever get asked to take my helmet off.
Do you know they're bringing out Supreme Grom?
A Supreme Grom?
Yeah, Honda Supreme Grom.
Nah, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
Nah. There's no such thing as a Supreme Grom. Sheesh! Why is there that bin ruining it? Uh-oh. All in my mask, just where I want it.
So lot on OnlyFans, mate, make some money.
I could actually. He's flying.
You look young as well.
Yeah, you. Mr. Braps up. Out on the prowl. Rain! There's rain! It's raining! Oh, go on, Bowley! Go on, go on! I want to hide somewhere nicer than under the bridge. I don't want to feel like a troll. Is there no nicer places? No, there isn't really, is there? Let's have a roll race. Huh?
What are we doing? I'm getting wet.
A roll race.
A roll race?
So you're not allowed no engines. Ready?
Alright.
Get on the line.
What line?
The imaginary line, the right there, look. Down to the bridge. First one underneath the bridge wins. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, he's cheating! Mr. Braps first place. Bowley second place. Tarzan Motovlogs has got an unorthodox style going on right now. Probably why I'm last. Aerodynamic. I'm closing in. I'm gonna be second. Yo! Mr. Braps is disqualified.
What's good, down?
And Tarzan Motovlogs wins. Straight up there.
Open up the door, watch all the G's forward. Smoke clouds follow while we hit another quarter. 50s in a carry-on, feel like a transporter. It's a privilege to know me, that's 100 on my broski. 1-2 punch, damn this thing hitting fully. Fresh pot of gumbo and we back up on our bully. Beat by diamond, shout out to the boy Cushy. Now I'm everything I could be, shades on with a hoodie. Off a little something, so you think I got my eyes closed. These is one and none, no baby, these is not those. Getting so much chicken blockheads out.
Shit. You f***ing indestructible or what?
What?
I said, are you indestructible or what? Oh my days. How did you do that?
Too far back.
On a knee knock? Oh mate, oh, let's go back down. Man down, man down. This guy is made of, I don't know what he's made of, but... Bolly, what do you eat for breakfast? Oh my days, the pipe is bent all the way up. Jesus.
Getting so much packs like we got a skin a barcode. Getting so much pain cause we working out of ice. Should've went Indies, but you didn't, now you dry snow. Baby, come to Brooklyn, yeah, you
pump. What's so much is happening right now? Staring.
tacos. Getting so much packs like we gotta scan a barcode. Getting so much A, cause we working out of ice. Should've went Indies, but you didn't, now you dry snow. Baby, come to